Hello friends, today we will do DAV Class 6 Science. Hello friends, today we will do DAV Class 6 Chapter 3 Nature of Matter Question Answer and all exercise. वीडियो के अंत तक देखें लेकिन सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. We do Chapter 3, page number 35, Activity 1. Write the names of the materials you just read in point 3 above in the suitable column. Try adding some more names in each column. Natural materials, man-made materials, wood, water, air, milk, flower, fruit, vegetable, honey. Tumbler, books, plate, plastic, bucket, bag, phone, glass. Page number 36. Write 5 examples each of solids, liquids and gases. Solid: box, bottle, bench, blackboard, lecture stand. Liquids: water, oil, juice, petrol, milk. Gases: oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, helium, sulfur. Page number 37. Activity 2. Add more names to the two given here of a few things which differ on the basis of their appearance and feel. First, polished marble, smooth, lustrous. Second, sandpaper, rough, dull. Paper, smooth, lustrous. Bench, rough, dull. Page number 45. Something to know. A. Fill in the blanks. First, the process of grouping objects with similar properties is called classification. Second, anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. Third, in the gas state of matter, the constituent particles have very little hold on one another. Fourth, light does not pass through a blackboard as it is an occupied object. Fifth, smell of a perfume reaches us by the process of diffusion. B. Write true or false for the following statements. First, air is a man-made material. False. Second, a thin polythene sheet is transparent. True. Third, pebbles float on water. False. Fourth, diffusion is the mixing of the particles of two materials on their own. True. Fifth, oxygen gas is silently soluble in water. True. C. Pick the correct option. First, the states of matter that have both a fixed shape and a definite volume is our answer is solids only. Second, your book is made up of matter because its answer is occupies space and has some mass. Third, which of the following is an opaque material? Answer is a piece of wood. Fourth, in which of the following cases would diffusion be the fastest? Answer is gas in another gas. Fifth, which of the following is insoluble in water? Answer is mustard oil. D. Answer the following questions in brief. First, define the following. A. Natural material. B. Transparent material. Answer A. Natural material are material which occur naturally. B. Some material allows light to pass through them, that is, they are transparent. Second, name any three materials that are: first, transparent, air, water, glass. Second, opaque in nature, blackboard, paper, box. Third, which state of matter? First, can. Second, cannot easily change its shape and volume. Why? Answer. First, gaseous state, because its gas particular have very little hold on other. Second, solid, because the particles are very tightly packed with each other and cannot move. Fourth, why do materials diffuse into each other? Answer. This happens due to the free movement of the particles of such materials. Fifth, define the term solubility. How does it change on increasing the temperature of water? Answer. The maximum amount of a substance that can be dissolved in a given volume of water is called the solubility of that substance in water. Generally, it increases with an increase in temperature. 6. Name three materials that are: first, solid, second, insoluble in water. Answer. First, solid, salt, sugar, lemon juice. Second, insoluble in water, sand, oil, petrol. E. Answer the following questions. First, why do solids have a fixed shape and a definite volume? Answer. In solid, the particles are very small particles. Different states of matter have different arrangement of these particles. Second, briefly describe an activity to show that pure water is a transparent liquid. Answer. If we put a coin in pure water in a glass tumbler and look it from any side, the coin will be visible. It means pure water is transparent. Third, describe an activity to show that a solid can diffuse slowly into a liquid. Answer. Drop a few crystals of potassium permanganate in water. We will see that pink colors spread slowly in water. This shows diffusion of a solid in a liquid. Fourth, what is a saturated solution? How can one prepare a saturated solution of common salt in water? Answer. Saturated solution is solution in which more of the given substance cannot be dissolved at a given temperature. Method of preparing saturated solution: take about 100 ml water in a beaker. Now keep on adding half teaspoon of salt and stir well till the soil stops dissolving. Fifth, suggest one activity to show the effect of temperature, one of the solubility of a solid in water. Answer. Take equal volume of water into separate glass tumbler. Heat the water in one of the tumblers. Now add equal amounts of sugar in two tumblers and stir. The sugar dissolves. Keep on adding measured amount of sugar in two tumblers till it stops dissolving. We will find the amount of sugar dissolved in hot water is more. value-based question. First, state the various displayed by Neha. Answer: gentleness, politeness, sincerity. Second, name the process through which blue ink drops make the water uniformly blue. Answer: diffusion. Page number 48. 3. Fill the boxes with suitable words on the basis of the clues given below. Across B, it has mass and occupies space. Matter. D, it has a definite volume but no fixed shape. Liquid. E, particles of two materials mixing on their own. Diffusion. Down. A, it has a definite volume and a fixed shape. Solid. C, the solution that has the maximum amount of a substance dissolved in a given volume of it. Saturated. Thank you for watching my channel.